adding the loyalty widget to your site. Real simple widget and real powerful to use. The loyalty widget, that's really going to allow your clients, your people you're building the website for, to be able to market more to their customers. So for loyalty, such as you'd be stamping every time somebody makes a purchase, the store owner would then now stamp electronically this person's loyalty coupon, and it'll keep customers to come back, and they can kind of win prizes or incentives, percentages off, and the list goes on. All right, so we're going to add a widget, as we normally do. Add a widget to this page. It's just a demo site here. All right, so obviously with our list of widgets, we're going to look for the widget that we want to use right now. So let's look for the loyalty coupon. Loyalty coupon. All right, so obviously you're going to see the widget has been created. And you will also see here, right here, the loyalty card can be used only when users log in. So we haven't enabled that yet, so we'll enable that. And this is kind of give you a brief description of what it does. So what we do first is we go over and we got to click to enable it now. Enable login and registration. And now here you have more functionality, as you can see through here. Email registration, you could just use email. You can come down here, it's a different lesson. You can have them sign up by phone number. Validation type, no. They have to validate with an email or an SMS, but I would use email or just stick with no. Social logins, if somebody wants to use that to log in. You can have a login page logo right here. We're just going to keep things simple. And this is where you would put your email in there if you wanted to, when anybody registers, to kind of go to you. All right, so we have done that. Go back to our pages, back to the home. And go to the widget. Now I'm just going to put a simple password in here. Password will be my password. Points required. You can upload an image here. Again, the additional options. Do I want the scene on a cell phone, on a mobile? What do I want? Do I want to adjust the style for the widget, the background? Okay. And we'll see it's locked there. So now let's view this in a full site too as well. There we go. So we want to log in and register. Somebody has to register. This is if they've already logged in, so we're going to register. So their email. It's just a made-up email address. I would have to validate it, mind you. So you can set this so the person would have to actually go into their email box and actually validate it. That's how you make sure you always get a good email address. Okay. And there you have it. Now you would just simply go in and you would stamp manually. So I would click the stamp manually. We already know that the password is the one that you as the website builder made it up for them, gave them the password, their password. So it's basically the person who owns the website. They are going to be the one at the end that validates the pass or the punches. That way you don't have a customer or somebody going on and manually stamping their own. So the website owner would have the final password that actually will validate the purchase. Validate the purchase, and then we just reload the page, and you'll see now that it is stamped right there. And that's it. That is basically using that widget. That's using the loyalty widget. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty awesome one to use. Get to customize everything that you want, just like as a normal with Mobvisit. If I wanted to change the background, I certainly can. Watch how fast we're able to do this. Let's go with a solid color here. You know, this is such a friendly tool that the more you practice with it, the better you get with it, and your speed just increases with time, just as you could well imagine. All right, now you'll see that I'm going to change the background, make it stand out a little bit, and there you go. All righty, well, thank you again for attending this tutorial, this academy on the loyalty program. Thank you very much.